Hello everyone, tonight I'd like to show you how to edit your profile so that you make sure people see what you want them to see and they know you as you want them to know you. So the first thing you have to do is, of course, you're going on your profile on top and you go to preferences. In the preferences you're going to choose edit profile. Simple, right? So there you have the possibility to edit, of course, your first name. Let me put an accent like in French. You can put your last name, your email address, depending on whether you want everybody to see it or not. You choose. I prefer to hide it. Then you choose the city where you are, the country where you are, and of course you choose your time zone according to where you are. It's important to edit your time zone to make sure it's the correct one. For example, in Brazil we have two, or more than two. We have Santarém, we have São Paulo, but mine was Recife, so that I can get all the time for the online classes or online appointments right for my time zone. Okay, then you can type a little text talking about who you are, what you want, what you like. For example, here, well, I'm Beatrice, I'm French. I've been teaching for teaching English. Yeah, I could put that. I'm teaching English for 25 years now, something like that. Okay, so a little description of yourself. And then if you want, if you're not satisfied with your picture, you can, you can either choose an avatar or you can select a picture from different sources, or you can choose from your computer. For example, here I can drag one from my computer here. Oops, that's my little one. Okay, careful with the format you're choosing. Not all formats are supported, but most of them. So the first one was my classroom. This is my hero. Okay, and from there you can, if your name is kind of difficult to pronounce, you can put the phonetics here in the additional names structure fields. You can also here with a list of tag enter what you like to do. Oh, I forgot to put the movies here. I love movies and series. Here, good. And then in the options you can put a link to your web page if you have one, if you have an ICQ number, a Skype ID, so that your students can get in touch. I forgot to put mine here. Here's this. Then all the where people can find you, what institution you belong to, and your phone number if you want your students or your readers to have it. And then all you have to do is click on update profile and see if you're satisfied. And voila! See you! Bye-bye!